In this video, I want to talk about how you can get discount on AliExpress. So there are different methods to do this, so let me just quickly go through them. So the first one is to use coupons. You can get these from the coupon center and you can get promo codes doing different kind of sales. So Black Friday, Christmas, all this sort of stuff. The second one is you can earn coins. If you use the app, AliExpress app, you can collect daily coins every day and exchange them for coupons or discounts. Now the free one is shop during the major events. This is kind of same as the promo codes during the sales. So you can do this one as well. And the last one is to finding the deals. So sometimes there will be flash deals on the homepage, and in there you can find some really good discounts. So these are currently the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.